Hi, welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we're making my mama's buttermilk version of fried chicken, or as she calls it, Pollo Frito. Coming up. For this recipe, we are using 3.5 pounds of chicken. We are going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of sage, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. And of course, black pepper to taste, about 1 teaspoon. Now that we have all the spices in, we are soaking the chicken in 2 cups of buttermilk. Mix it all in. You want to make sure that the chicken is covered in all the spices. Now, we need to keep it in the fridge and marinate for 6 hours. You can get away with 4 hours, but it is recommended to do 6 hours or overnight. Now we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to season it with half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, and white pepper powder. Give that a mix and mix it well. We want to make sure that all the spices are all over this flour. Now place the chicken in the flour and we're going to coat it, and make sure that you coat it evenly. We're going to toast that chicken for a few minutes. The chicken is nicely coated. Now it's time to fry. There is nothing better than my mama's fried chicken. And we are frying the chicken at 350 degrees. Make sure that the oil is at 350. I am using a large pot and we're going to fry all the chicken at once. Some people like to fry it in a skillet and do a few pieces at a time, but I don't have the patience. So we're going to fry it all together. I know it uses more oil, but so what? We don't fry chicken all the time. 10 minutes after the chicken has been frying, we're just going to check and make sure that the pieces are not sticking together. And we're going to let it fry for another 20 minutes. This would also help with the chicken cooking evenly. The chicken is looking good. It has a nice and gold brown color. It is time to get it out of the frying oil. Guess what time it is? It is serving time. My favorite time. When you are cooking, which is your favorite time? Let me know in the comment box down below. Let's give it a try. Can't wait. Amazing, just amazing. You can taste the rosemary, the sage, the paprika. Oh my god, it tastes so freaking delicious. Just mouth-watering. And there you guys have it. Buttermilk fried chicken. Enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.